Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be removing the taillights on a 2015 Honda Fit. To do this, it's a really simple process of removing two 8mm bolts per taillight, or you could use a Phillips head screwdriver, removing the 3 plugs connected to the light bulbs, and 1 retainer clip connecting the wiring harness to the taillight. To get started, let's first open the hatch and remove the 2 screws. There's 1 on the bottom. And 1 on the top. The Honda Fit has a slot in the rear corner and a tab on the taillight, so when you wiggle it out, you want to pull directly backwards. There's a tab I'm talking about, and the slot would be on the inside of the taillight. There are 3 light bulb plugs and 1 wiring harness retainer clip. The light bulb plugs are easy to remove. This retainer clip can give you some issues. I'm sure there's a trick to it, but I do not know. To reinstall the taillight, simply reconnect the wiring harness. And then make sure this slot slides onto this tab. Now simply reinstall the 2 bolts. And give it a check. Alright, we're going to remove the driver's side tail light, P.O.V, 8mm bolt or a Phillips head screwdriver. Most people have a Phillips laying around. Ooh, good eye coordination there. Bottom one. Put those in my pocket so I don't lose them. Like I said, there's a tab here that you want to slide this backwards. And then remove the 3 plugs and the retainer clip. Plugs should be easy. The retainer clip can be a pain. I believe you want to pull back on this high and pull backwards. Oh, much easier. There you go. To reinstall it, put the plugs back in the correct place. Retainer clips, they will not go into the different sockets, so don't worry about that. Take this tab, slide it onto the frame tab, just give it a wiggle, take the bolts out from your pockets. Should probably put them in a safer place in case you kneel down. They might fall out. One more. Now that it's screwed into place, let's hit the brake light and check out the turn signals. All right. And that's how you replace the tail lamps or tail lights on a 2015 Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.